money in hand. We got like one person in front of us. So fire it up and see if the Ski-Doo actually starts up.
All right, guys, yard sale is open.
Happy guy.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. There it is. All right, guys. I haven't posted a video in a while, but today we're gonna get straight into it. Been a fan of Goonzquad for a while, and like recently, in like a year or two, I found out they lived here in Chattanooga, same city I live in. And
all right, so we're doing a Goonzquad yard sale today. This is just half of what we got that we're gonna set out there. All this stuff has got to go. There's much more that we're about to add, even some cars.
Today we're gonna go and we're gonna see if we can get something.
So grab some cash.
Hey, grab some cash, dude.
Heavy hitters.
Hey, some big stuff.
I think they want money this time, so we're gonna have to go get some money first, but we'll see if we can land something cool. All right, me and Rios went to the bank. They put on their story $100 to $1,000, and I got 500 out, so we're gonna see if that's enough, but we're heading there right now. Got the battery chargers in case the phone starts to die. We got the truck just in case we need something in the back of the truck. We might be leaving a pressure washer there if we gotta get a bike, unfortunately.
That's okay. That's completely fine.
Okay.
Guys, don't pull up just yet. We're not quite ready. We're setting up, so if you could, just wait until we give you guys a green light here on the story.
All right, we're like a minute away. Just out of respect to them, I don't know if this video is gonna do good on YouTube. I'm not gonna show kind of like the surroundings. I think you can look it up where they're at. I don't think it's that secretive, but we are like maybe like a solid 59 seconds away from the shop. I think there's another dude over there. There's a couple of people just sitting here too, so we're not special, but we got the cash. It's around lunchtime. We're probably just gonna sit here for a while. Got Matt Ziegler in front of us. Here refreshing the page, got the money in hand. We got like one person in front of us to our knowledge, but it's literally right across the street, so we're just sitting here waiting it out.
All right, guys, yard sale is open.
All right, the announcement. Just go. We're probably not the first. Yeah. There it is.
We got somebody. Oh, dang. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You do like 7 for it?
Just make some deals. I mean, some of this stuff, $5 will take it.
How much for the one wheel? How much for
The one wheel, $100 for you.
$100 for me?
$100 is a good.
Yeah.
Hey, Ski-Doo gone. I'll do $20 for that. You gotta start asking questions. That bike, he just bought it for $20.
How much
Do you want to go ahead and kind of roll that away? Yeah.
How much you want for the? What the wheels go for?
Dirt bike? Yeah.
How much for some merch?
I'll give you that one backpack for free.
The other backpack is free.
$10.
How much you want for the other backpack?
Other backpack, I'll hook you up with it. Unless you get it. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Hey, you got a steal, dude.
Appreciate it.
Heck yeah, man. Thank you,
brother.
Yep, take care. You too, man. Y'all take care. Nobody want a jerky dehydrator?
What is that?
It's to make beef jerky. Yeah. You want it?
I'm sure my Johnson dad.
2,000.
2,000.
No, I'm just kidding. Take it for free.
Oh, it must be a nice.
No, just yeah.
Maker.
Take it for free. We made jerky one time.
Yeah, he's gonna love that. All right, so Rudy scored a Coleman and an RC car, and then I scored a one wheel, and I think an engine like a tool stand. That's pretty sick. Pretty good day.
Turnout.
Pretty good day. Yeah, I think we spent like $120.
Did you show them the backpack?
Yeah, I think we spent like $120. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
$100
for the one wheel, and then I paid $20 for the.
And everything else was free.
There, yeah.
I even asked, like, I think maybe will probably see it on the video. Like, I asked, I was like, how much for this? And then Simon was just like, take it. So,
I just started handing stuff out.
but yeah, Matt got his little ski there. And, oh, another thing I forgot to mention, I got a signed bumper by both Simon and Elzar. So, pretty sick little day. Well, it's a good turnout. All right, so there's my bumper. There's Matt's Ski-Doo. The one wheel actually works. It is insane. Came with a charger. Got the Coleman back here. Got the tool car. Even got a jerky maker. Heck yeah. Pretty cool stuff. He's gonna fire it up and see if the Ski-Doo actually starts up. There it is. She runs good.
Yeah.
Safe to say, I think that thing works. And that's something. That thing looks like it hauls.
That's terrifying.
So the Goonzquad one wheel works. Been riding it around for a second. We're just kind of having fun with our toys. It's like the perfect filming thing. I just. All right, we filled it up with gas.
Sure it's on.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. There you go, Rudy. Shout out to the Matt the Z-Man. There you go. Fixes his eye a little bit. All the toys work. Thanks, Goonzquad. Well, Rudy's rolling up his toy. Got to run. Shout out to Matt at his shop. Get him some gas. I got my little tool stand and this jerky maker. I'm gonna go ahead and give my father-in-law a call. My soon-to-be father-in-law a call and see if he wants that. And yeah, got even the sign, Goonzquad, whatever this is. I gotta really look in to see what this is, but heck yeah. Says it's a pretty good day, isn't it?
It's a great day.
Heck
Awesome.
yeah.